Okay, we are back with part 2, and I think I just saw people. Really, where are these coming from? At least I have a knockback, so don't blow it. Okay, I've got to figure out where these are coming from soon. I think it's coming from in here. Gotta put torches everywhere. Get this dirt out too. Just in case. There's a bat. You know what, that can be my pet. I really don't care about bats, even though it sounds annoying. Oh, there's lots of bats in here. Definitely don't want to eat that. Okay, we should not have any more problems from here, but it could be coming from another room. So let me get that glass back. Do I have any food? Oh yeah. Okay. Let's work on the furnace room some more. Wait, I need more sand. That's what I was gonna get. Good. Let me see if there's any sand. Yeah, I'll go find. Oh yeah, I'll do this sand so it's not so near my house where it looks weird. Okay. Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. No, forget this right now. I'll just put that there. Dig so freaking fast. I like this. Oh, darn. Hold on. Let's go. How much do I have? 58. Let me get some more. Now, 60.3. Let me get one more. Or lots more. Oops. Okay, now I have 40. Let's see. I guess we'll start out with 40, and then we'll do some more later if we have to. What's that? Oh, like block that off. Okay. So, let's go down here. Let's get this iron cooking. How do we do this? Okay, so now the ground, let's test it with this. Ooh, I like that. Now let's test it with this. No. I like the sandstone. Yeah, we'll definitely need more. Well, maybe. Yeah, we'll need more. Just one more. Oh my god, I hate that. Oh, two more, I meant. I didn't mean, but yeah. Well, first of all, before we go back out, let me just check any monsters, if there's monsters down here. Nope. I really think they're coming from that room. My mining room. This one. But anymore because I put torches everywhere. So, let's go. Can you open? No, you can't open them like that anymore. Well, let's get, there. Oh, I need one more. There we go. That should be enough. Let's go fill that in. Boom, boom. Oh, perfect. Actually, I'm glad I got more because look. Yeah, alright, that's good now. Oh yeah, I like that much better. And also, gonna have to add, one more furnace. One sec. Yeah? So, I am going to pause you for the next video. Bye.